Class action lawsuits are like free money. I literally just got a check from Apple for $125 for some butterfly keyboard class action lawsuit. And the reason I got that is because I've owned a MacBook Pro since 2008, and somehow my name is in the system and I was notified about it. I can't tell you how many times this has happened over the last 20 years of my life that I've gotten something in the mail that says you're involved in this class action lawsuit. To opt in for a potential payout, just reply back here and mail this in. Now with the internet, it's even easier because stuff surges online. People say, I'll opt in for this. I've gotten paid from Facebook. I got paid from Red Bull. I don't know, like $20 here, $40 here. Sometimes they're big paydays. Sometimes they're pennies or whatever. But don't just dismiss it and be like, oh, it's a scam. They're just trying to get your information. Do your due diligence. Does the site look legit? Is it an actual domain name? If you Google this class action lawsuit, is it actually happening? Is there any documents, any news reports, or anything about that? And if it is, put your fucking name in, because you are losing money. It's not worth my time. How much of your time is worth $125? It literally took me 5 minutes to fill out a form, and now I've got a check. So the next time your name pops up, whether it's online or in the mail, and something says, your name is here for class action lawsuit, do you want to be part of it? Of course you do. Don't be stupid, fill out the fucking form.